I'll guide you through sending money from your PayPal balance into your Chime account using both instant and fee-free transfer options. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. For instant transfer via Chime debit card, open the PayPal app and tap the Wallet tab at the bottom right. Tap the Add Banks and Cards Plus icon and select Debit or Credit Card. Manually enter your 16-digit Chime Visa debit card details, expiration date, CVV, and billing address, then tap Link Card. Return to the home screen, tap Transfer Funds, and select Instant Transfer. Choose your linked Chime debit card and enter the transfer amount. Review the 1.75% fee and tap Transfer Now. The funds will arrive in your Chime spending account within minutes. For standard bank transfer via routing and account numbers, open your Chime app. Tap Settings and locate your account information to copy your 9-digit routing number and account number. Open PayPal, go to the Wallet tab, tap Plus, and select Banks. Enter your Chime routing number and account number manually. Authenticate your account instantly using Plaid, or verify the 2 small micro deposits PayPal sends within 1 to 3 business days. Once verified, go to Home, then Transfer Funds, and select Standard Transfer. Choose your linked Chime bank account and confirm the transfer, 100% free, processed in 1 to 3 business days. To pull funds directly from Chime, open the Chime app. Go to Move Money and select Transfers. Tap Link an external account and search for PayPal. Log in using your PayPal credentials via Plaid to initiate transfers directly from inside the Chime app. Ensure the full legal name on your PayPal account matches your Chime account name to prevent transfer declines or security delays. Verified PayPal accounts allow transfers up to $5,000 per transaction or up to $10,000 per night to linked bank accounts. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.